welcome back to our channel. Today I will be making lip balm. Inside these kits are 5 premium cases, 2 flavors, mint and grape. There is olive oil, beeswax, shea butter, stir stick, mixing cup, extractor, and that's scoop. First, I'm going to be adding 1 scoop of olive oil. What is in? Then 1 scoop of my shea butter. Get that in there. Capital. Put that in there. A little stick. Scrape that in there. And then 1 scoop of beeswax. Oh, hang me. That took forever. It's time to put this in. I'm going to be mixing my mixture now. Microwave for 15 seconds. Next, I'm going to add my grape flavor. Smell nice and grapey. 1, 2. Now, I'm going to mix again. Stir, stir, stir. Just gotta wait. That's up. I am going to make my lip balm cool at room temperature. Hey guys, it's been an hour and a half now and it's finally finished cooling. Anyways, this is the case I will be using to put my lip balm in. I'm going to remove this metal ring and place my cover onto my lip balm. Pull this out. There I am. Let's see. That's it for today, guys. I hope you like, share, and subscribe if you're new. Bye!